Hi there, welcome back to my channel. It's Lee from Deep in Cleaning. Today I've got another oven clean. I don't do one for a few weeks and I get two in about 3 days. So yeah, I'm going to show you the oven in a second. It's a bit grotty, bit of the process and obviously the before and afters. If you're interested in an oven clean, give me a call. All my details will be at the end of the video. I also offer predominantly carpet cleaning, hard floor cleaning, upholstery, End of Tenancy cleans and oven cleans. So if you live in a house, I can clean most of it, if not all of it. And if you're a commercial customer, your carpets, kitchen areas and washroom areas and toilets can all be done as well. So yeah, give me a call. Details at the end of the video and I'll see you in a bit. Cheers. Right, so here's the oven. I haven't got to do the hob up there or the extractor, even though they are a little bit dirty, but the customers asked me not to bother with them. You can see the front here, the chrome, there's sort of watermarks and grease and stuff that's come down the front. Get that polished up. The oven itself, the glass on the outside looks all right. Now when you get inside, you can see, I'll go over there, you can see all the brown and dirt and everything across the glass. Get that sorted. Looking inside, just briefly you can see the racks. They should be a silver colour, chrome, stainless steel sort of finish, but instead they're brown. This one's just as bad, probably a bit worse. You can see along there all the dust. Loads of crumbs and grease at the bottom of the door. Around the sides, it's all built-in sides, which aren't my favourite, and most oven cleaners will probably agree. But there's lots of food and debris in there. We'll remove all that. The fan will come out. We'll get that looking silver again as opposed to brown, because that's what's going to be dispersing all the old food smells and tastes and taint your next bake and next cook. These sides, this side bizarrely isn't that bad compared to this one, but we'll get all that sorted on the bottom. But generally it's probably about a 7 out of 10, with 10 being really rotten. Chuck it in a skip. This is about a 7, 6 or 7, so it's reasonably bad, but we'll work the magic on it and I'm back in shortly. Cheers. Right, so now we've just while the oven's resting and absorbing all the degreaser in, we're going to start on the glass. You can see there I put a degreaser on. It's been sat about 10 minutes. I'm just going to scrape here. You can see that's all going to come off now, so we'll just loosen it all up. And once it's all loosened up, we'll collect it all, paper towel, and we'll give it a wash down and then a polish up with some glass polish. Right, so we've had the degreaser on for a few minutes. You can see there, using the scraper and using the metal scour as well as getting to the gaps. It's starting to lift. Still got to weather this again, but the bottom, as you can see there, it's been scraped along this sort of area here. A lot of the grime that was there earlier is gone. The fan I couldn't remove. That bolt is just locked on solid, so I'm having to clean it as it is. So hopefully that degreaser is just working its way in now. And this wall here has got the degreaser on just running down, and it's all collecting at the bottom there to scrub away. So we're getting there, and I'll be back shortly. Right, so all done. So yeah, as you can see there, done all the tray. Internal tray's nice and clean. That was a mess before. But the main oven, you can see all across the top, all nice and clean. All coming down, continuing down the glass, which you can now quite clearly see through. See through to the, oh, blurred there, see through to the fan. My business card at the bottom there. This sticker here, I'll leave that. I'm not too sure what the owner wants to do with that one. But as we go into the oven, you can see all around the sides, all nice and clean. The bottom there, all done. The racks are now silver, opposed to the black that they were. The glass, nice and see-through. And that is it. So yeah, another oven done. Happy days. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to get continued content similar to this. Alternatively, just click the like button. It just helps me out a little bit. If you've enjoyed it, just a little click. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you on my next video. Cheers.